Hop. Oh, t'as des mouchoirs, non? Les machins est là, non?
Ouais, y'a rien, regarde. On le je crois.
Non, c'est sur moi. Viens, t'as un mouchoir? Ouais, va te faire enculer. Putain, j'étais obligé de le faire chier dessus.
Tu t'es fait baptiser.
Tu te rappelles déjà la dernière fois?
Tu t'es fait baptiser par un pilot de Paname, gars.
Fils de...
Moins bien, gars. Ça a tapé sur quelque chose.
Ça a tapé sur mon casque, je l'ai sorti.
Il y a rien sur ton casque.
Mais quand je fais comme ça, il a coulé. Dis ma mère. Quand je fais comme ça a fait couc.
Tu vas pas le frapper, tu vas pas acheter ton cœur par terre.
I am the hero Gotham deserves, but not the one it needs right now.
Everything is okay. Holy fuck, I gotta see this one. Oh, I hope you all can see this one. He's got a fucking wig. It's a dude. He's got a wig. He's got red glasses on. It looks fucking weird. It looks weird as fuck. He's got lipstick too. Fucking real. How you doing, buddy? How's it going?
You wouldn't get me all one of these, no. No way.
Mate, this outfit,
You're right.
bang on.
I've got been up in the end of the Emerald.
Yeah.
I've been there.
You've been singing?
Yeah.
Very good, man.
No.
Any good?
I like to enjoy myself.
Yeah, that's alright.
Now I head on out. Now get ready for next weekend.
Where are you playing?
Okay?
Where's next week?
Next week I go to the Swan in Tettenhall. You know the Swan?
Yeah.
In Tettenhall. I go in there on Friday. Saturday I'm in town. And when I finish from town, I always come in here for my last drinks, you know.
Oh, okay.
I always come in here at the Emerald. It's a good place, you know, it's good.
Yeah.
Because they've got parties in there and there and there. I like it.
Where are you from?
Malta.
Malta?
Where
Oh, very
from?
nice. Huh?
Where you from?
I'm from here.
You from here?
Wolverhampton.
I feel sorry for you. Don't belong to us no more, Wolverhampton.
No, not a very nice place, is it?
We're fucking good. We get this fucking Jurassic Park.
Hey, but at least we've got people like you with this outfit.
Oh yeah, they got me to fucking keep the place up.
It's worth it.
Nobody say hello to you in the street.
Nah.
Nobody call me with my name, no more than this. Everybody, Elvis. Nobody. Yes.
What is your name?
My name is John.
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 Well, John, nice to meet you.
Oh, and you too.
I love the
Be
outfit.
careful. Don't spade on there.
Oh, I won't. Just for you.
If you give me £1 million, I wouldn't get on your back. I'm liking to, if I win the lottery tonight, I still wouldn't even buy a car. I'm too frightened, I'm too nervous.
Really?
Every time somebody gives me a lift, when I sit in the front, my hand on the dashboard and hold the rope. But you wouldn't get me on, I'm too frightened. Because every time they lean that way, me, I always lean the other way.
Yeah. That's it.
No. Be careful what you're doing.
Yeah, take care, mate.
And you too. Nice talking to
Keep
you.
doing what you're doing.
Nice talk. Don't worry, you'll be seeing me on television soon. You know the Britain Got Talent and the Xbox.
Yeah. You're going on?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You know how many people see me on the YouTube?
83
Million.
million.
Yeah, around the world.
Oh, you're famous?
That's why you want
Meeting
to
a
be
celebrity?
in town, taking photos with me. All the young girls, you know, in the 20s, they're lapping their legs around you. Oh, I'm in heaven and I'm still alive. Not bad. Everybody wants to be like me.
I'll tell you what, let's get a photo. Let's get a photo.
Everybody wants to get, oh, we're going to be like you. Some of them, they buy designer clothes and they can't get a girl. Me, I dress like a plonker. And all the girls in town, you want to see them?
Oh my.
Now.
Can I get a photo? Do you mind?
Why no? I'm
sure?
enjoying myself.
That's all that matters.
If everybody do like me, there'll be no bloody trouble.
Well, let's get in the light.
Yeah, if you can call it like. Like a bloody candle,
Hold on. Swap sides.
Oh boy, oh boy.
Oh yeah.
You look like a spaceman with that.
Brilliant.
You got it.
John,
Nice talking to you.
pleasure to talk to you, mate.
Don't worry. When I get popular and the Britain Got Talent, I want you to be my manager.
I'll be your manager. Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
See you, mate. Have a good night. He is a fucking legend. Yeah.
Up guys, it's generic moto vlogger here. Generic moto vlogger. You know, just like all the other moto vloggers, except just very generic. I would be doing some sweet ass wheelies right now, but my goddamn backpack's full of shit for this video. Fidget spinners are a terrible toy, and if you can't give them away for free, I don't know how you expect people to pay for them. Oh, are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking shitting me? Fuck it. Gotta try. Damn, I didn't even know. Last time I came here, these were not locked. It was just hanging open. Okay. Try to put my shit right on that rock. Okay. Easy to do. So, I have this fucking helmet on. Let's try it. It's like fucking. Ooh. That was easy. This place can be yours for only $29.99. Look at that. I really don't want to walk on this because it's going to get me all wet. Ugh. Yeah, baby. Yeah, it's legit over here. That's a part of a drone or something. Yeah. But we aren't after the view. We are just after a good place to get lit. We got fidget spinners. We got fidget winners. And we got dick tickling. Oh, this stuff. Look at that shit. Look at all these fidget spinners. Look at them. Piece of the dick. Look at that shit. Look at that. Look at those fucking fidget spinners. Damn, son. Oh, I didn't even bring a lighter with me. I fucked up. That didn't work. fuck. Look at that shit.